Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Stevens again. Yesterday we read the story about birds and where we might see birds, whether we see them out in the yard or at the park or on the farm. And I told you yesterday that I was going to show you how to make a bird feeder with pine cone and peanut butter and birdseed. So I got a piece of string here. Actually, it's a piece of pipe cleaner, but I'm going to put it around the top part of my pine cone. And then when we get done, I'm going to make a loop and we're going to hang it from the tree. So I'm going to take my peanut butter, and you can use any kind of peanut butter. I just had this in the cupboard, and this is creamy peanut butter. And I'm going to spread it all in on this pine cone. I don't think I have enough peanut butter to spread it all around this pine cone, but I'll do the best I can. Ugh. And even if I only spread it on half of the pine cone, you guys will be able to get the idea of what to do. Okay? There we go. Look at all that peanut butter on that pine cone. I think it works better, boys and girls, if you have a pine cone that's not so open, that's kind of just still closed a little bit. There we go. This is about the end of the peanut butter. Get it, spread it out as much as you can. There we go. Alright, and then I'm going to take my bird seed and I'm going to put it all on that peanut butter. And that peanut butter, that peanut butter is so sticky and yucky. It's just going to, bird seed's just going to stick to the peanut butter. It smells delicious. Alright, there we go. Whoops. So then I'm going to make a loop right here. And we're going to hang this from the tree. Alright, you ready? Okay, let's go hang this up. Thank you, Miss Duncan, for being my assistant today.
You're so welcome.
I love Miss Duncan. Hi, Miss Long. Hi. We made bird feeders today. Oh. We're going to hang it right here, and hopefully the birds will be able to eat the seeds off of the peanut butter. All right, boys and girls, we'll come and check on this in a few days and see if they've eaten all the bird seed. All right. I love you. I miss you. Bye.
Bye.